and welcome to my channel. Today I'm participating in an upcycled gift trash to treasure challenge hosted by Heidi Sambo and Yelena from Blondie Next Door. So I have gone thrifting and I had picked up this tray which has really nice shape to it and nice handles, but I am not loving the swan goose shape inside of it. So I had picked this up for $6.99 at Value Village, and I have decided I'm going to paint it with some white chalk paint. I am using the Chalked Rust-Oleum white chalk paint, and I'm going to embellish the handles with some nautical rope. This can be used on its own as a gift for somebody, or you can use it as a base for other things and making like a gift basket. Either way, I'm sure anybody receiving this gift would love it. So like I said, this is part of a challenge, and I will have Heidi's and Yelena's channels linked down below, so make sure you go check them out. And I will also have a playlist linked down below of all the other ladies participating in this challenge. So make sure after you're done watching my video, you go check them out. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, my name is Sonia and I do these type of videos often, so make sure that you are subscribed if you like what you see. So without further ado, we're going to get started. First thing I'm going to do is give this tray a good amount of paint, enough so it covers the picture. It took 2 coats to cover it up, but I just left some stuff showing through so it kind of looks a little bit antique on the sides. And now I'm hot gluing this nautical rope. So here it is all finished. This would be a great base for a gift basket on a tray. There's so many different options to do this. You can go with food, you can go with spa items, you can go with candles. I mean, the possibilities are endless, or you can just gift it as is. It is a beautiful tray with a lot of beautiful lines, and I'm sure anybody would be happy to receive this. So I would like to thank Heidi and Yelena for hosting this challenge. I enjoyed participating in it. Make sure you check them both out and the playlist down below. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.